स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य वयं सप्तम्यां कक्षायां षष्ठं पाठं सदाचारः इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। सत् अधिकम् आचारः सदाचारः भवति। My dear students, welcome to class 7th online classes. Today we are going to study the 6th lesson, that is Sadacharaha. Even though it is a revision, once again I am going to tell you in detail that 6th lesson is Sadacharaha. The meaning of Sadachara is Sat. Sat means good. Acharaha means practice. Those who are the good practices, they are called Sadacharaha. You might have heard in the beginning Subhashitani, Suktayaha. The meaning is same. Sadacharaha ityatra Prathamah shlokaha vartate. आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः नास्त्युद्यम समो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. आलस्यं हि मनुष्याणां शरीरस्थो महान् रिपुः नास्त्युद्यम समो बन्धुः कृत्वायं नावसीदति. आलस्यम, आलस्यम means laziness. He only, manusyanam men's, people's, sharirasthaha, who stays in the body. It stays in the body. What stays? Laziness. Laziness which stays in the body. Mahan ripuhu, the deadliest enemy. Mahan means great. Ripuhu, enemy. Nasti, not there. Udyama samaha, equivalent to the hard work. Bandhuhu, friend. Krutva, after doing. Yam navasidati, you will not perish. Vinasham prapnoti ityartha. Alasyam, dirghasutrata. Manushyanam, manushyaha ityasya paryayapadam. Please note down. Manushyaha, manavaha, martyaha, manujaha, naraha. These are all the synonyms for manushyaha. अवगतम्. अनन्तरं शरीरस्थः. शरीरस्थः means शरीरं नाम वपुः, देहः. Please note down these words. शरीरं, वपुः, देहः, गात्रं. महान् नाम श्रेष्ठः. रिपुः, रिपुः नाम वैरी, शत्रुः. नास्ति, न अधिकम् अस्ति, नास्ति. उद्यमः, उद्यमः नाम परिश्रमः. समः, समानः. बन्धुः, मित्रं, सुहृत्. कृत्वा, आफ्टर डूइंग. यम नावसीदति, न अधिकम् अवसीदति, नावसीदति. अवसीदति नाम विनाशं प्राप्नोति. The worst enemy of us is the laziness. This laziness stays in our own body, and we have the best friend. The best friend of us is the hard work. It is also with us only. By doing the friendship with the hard work, nobody gets perished, nobody get spoiled. Whereas if you are with your enemy, that is the laziness, you will get spoiled. If you want to get the success, always hug your friend. Who is that? That is the hard work. अस्माकं शरीरे अस्माकं मित्रं तथा अस्माकं शत्रुः अपि निवसतः. अस्माकं परममित्रं भवति परिश्रमः, अस्माकं शत्रुः भवति आलस्यम्. I hope all of you clear. There are good friend of you is in your body, and worst enemy of you is also in your body. Your best friend is the hard work, By doing friendship with him, nobody gets spoiled. Your worst enemy is laziness. He is also in your body. Understood? That's why please throw him out of your body. So never allow your enemy, that is the laziness, to stay in your body. Clear? Agre chalamah. द्वितीयं श्लोकं पठामः. कल करे सो आज करे सो अब. All of you know this? Is it? श्वः कार्यम् अद्य कुर्वीत. पूर्वाह्ने चापराह्निकं न हि प्रतीक्षते मृत्युः कृतमस्य न वा कृतम्. So, as we know that God always gives for everybody, whether he is a successful or unsuccessful, the God gives you 24 hours only in a day. Is it? That's why one who completes before the time, he will be the most successful person. The most successful person always give importance to the time. Is it? He is very successful who knows how to respect his time. That's what explained in this shloka. Shwaha karyam adya kurvita. Whatever you have to do tomorrow, please do it today. Shwaha, tomorrow. Adya, today. Purvanhe. Purvanhe means from morning to afternoon, forenoon. Chaparanihikam, cha aparanihikam, chaparanihikam, afternoon. Whatever you have to do in the afternoon, please do it in the forenoon. Why? Because nahi pratikshate mrutyuhu. The death doesn't wait. What is the death? The end of the time is itself the death. We have exams. Before the exams, if you study, you will get the good marks. So still exams are there. Let me study on the Sunday. So Sunday also you will start at night 10 o'clock. Will the Sunday gives you 24 hours at night 10 o'clock if you start? No. You will be left with only 2 hours in the day. So that's why time and tide waits for none. So it is told in this, nahi pratikshate mrityuhu. Pratikshate, waiting. The God of death doesn't wait for anybody, whether krutam asya nava krutam. He doesn't wait whether he has completed his work or not. Here the mrityuhu means the end. The end doesn't wait for you whether you have completed or not. Last year there was an entire year for you. Whether you have studied or not studied, the year has gone. Is it? Some of you studied and entered the 7th class. Some of you not utilized it so much but still in the 7th class. Same lesson is there in the 7th class also. Whether you study or not study, the 7th class will come to an end. So it is left to you. If you want to be very successful, before the time comes, you must finish your task. So that's why always learn to respect your task so you will be very successful. Shwaha karyam adya kurvita. Whatever you have to do tomorrow, do it today. Purvanhe chaparanhikam. Whatever you have to do in the afternoon, please do it in the forenoon. Why? Because nahi pratikshate mrityuhu. The death doesn't wait for you. Krutamasya nava krutam. Whether you have done or not. Clear? Punarekavaram patami. Shwaha karyam adya. See, samyoga is there. Karyam plus adya, karyamadya. Kurvita, do. Purvanhe, purva adhikam ahne, purvanhe, forenoon. Chaparanhikam, cha adhikam aparanhikam, aparanham, means afternoon. Nahi, not. Pratikshate, wait. Mrityuhu, yamaha. Mrityuhu nama yamaha atava antyam, end. Krutamasya, here also samyoga is there. Krutam adhikam asya krutamasya iti bhavati. Nava krutam, whether you have finished your work or not finished, time is going to end. The period started now. Whether you learn or don't learn, the period will end. It is in your hand whether you want to learn or not to learn. अस्तु अग्रे चलामः. अत्र पश्यन्तु पूर्वाह्णम्. पूर्वाह्णम् इत्यस्य विलोमपदं भवति अपराह्णम्. पूर्वाह्णम् इत्यस्य अपराह्णं विलोमपदं. श्वः इत्यस्य विलोमपदम् अद्य. अद्य इति विलोमपदं भवति. मृत्युः यमः अथवा अन्त्यं. कृतम् इत्यस्य विलोमपदम् अकृतं. कृतम् अकृतम्. अनन्तरं तृतीयश्लोकं प्रति चलामः. सत्यं ब्रूयात् प्रियं ब्रूयात् न ब्रूयात् सत्यमप्रियं प्रियञ्च नानृतं ब्रूयात् एष धर्मः सनातनः. सत्यं ब्रूयात् प्रियं ब्रूयात् न ब्रूयात् सत्यमप्रियं प्रियञ्च नानृतं ब्रूयात् एष धर्मः सनातनः. एष धर्मः सनातनः. सत्यं ब्रूयात्. This is the way of talking. Very wonderful way. It is told that it is a lesson for life. How to speak. Satyam bruyat. Always speak truth. And priyam bruyat. If you want to speak the truth, at the same time see that it is liked by the person. Whatever is good for the person whom you are talking, priyam bruyat. Always speak what is liked by the person in front of you. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Even though it is a truth, if it is not liked by the person in front of you, don't speak the truth. This is the great lesson that we must learn. Sometimes truth will be there, especially death news. You are telling that, array, so your that relative has died. What will happen? You will be feeling very sad. That's why people never tell that he has died. So people say always he is serious. He is serious because even though it is truth, if somebody is not liking, don't tell the truth. Is it? You know that the headmaster is calling you. You will say, instead of calling, you will say, go. He will slap you very nicely. So it is a truth, but it is not liked by the person. So that's why he has called you. Like that. In a polished way, we must learn to speak. Priyancha nanrutam bruyat. This is very, very important. To make somebody happy, we always speak the lies. Nanrutam. Na anrutam, nanrutam. Anrutam nama asatyam. If you tell somebody lies, everybody will like you. That means if I say that, oh my dear, you are looking like Hrithik Roshan, you will feel very happy. So I will say that, oh my dear, what is your favorite game, Hemant? You play football? Oh, you are playing like a Messi. If I say, I am very happy. I am playing like a Messi. So to make somebody, you should not lie. So never keep in the intention that I must make somebody happy. For that I keep on telling lies. That is also wrong. To make somebody happy, never speak lies. Esha dharmaha sanatanaha. From the sanatanaha means ancient time. The ancient time onwards, our ancestors, good people followed this path. What are three things? Always speak the truth, satyam bruyat. Then that truth should be priyam bruyat. What is good for others, that only you should speak. Na bruyat satyam apriyam. Even though it is truth, if it is not liked by others, don't speak the truth. So, fourth one is that to make somebody happy, never speak lie. To make somebody happy, never speak lie. These are the four basic things that we learn in our life. Okay. Satyam, truth. Bruyat, bruyat means speak. Priyam, what others like. Bruyat, always speak the truth, always speak what others like. Na bruyat, don't speak. Satyam apriyam, truth which is not liked by others. Priyam cha, even though somebody likes. Anrutam na bruyat, don't speak lies. Eshaha dharmaha sanatanaha. This is the way of living which is followed by our ancient people. Our all ancestors, elders followed this. Eshaha sanatanaha dharmaha asti. Yat sarvada satyam vadet priyam cha vadet. Yat satyam apriyam asti tat na vadet. यत् प्रियम अस्ति इति हेतोः अनृतम असत्यमपि न वदेत्. I hope, is it clear? अग्रे चलामः. सर्वदा व्यवहारे स्यात् औदार्यं सत्यता तथा रुजुता मृदुता चापि कौटिल्यं न कदाचन. Always, this is very very important. Najatu tishtatya karma krit. Nobody in this world stays without doing his duty. Is it? Everybody is allotted with the duty. Sarvada vyavahare syat. Please mind your business. Always be in your business. That is your duty. Whatever is duty, sarvada vyavahare syat. Please be in your duty. In that duty, you must have audaryam, udarata, audaryam, generous. You should be very generous. And satyata tata, be truthful in your duty. Audaryam means what? Giving excess. You be generous. If somebody asks a doubt to the teacher, what the generous teacher will say? Yes, you did not understand, I will teach you again. One who tells again and again, he is very generous. Always mother is very generous. You might have seen mother. If you want one roti, mother feeds you two rotis. ले लो बेटा और एक रोटी खा लो. Because she is very generous. As a student, you also must be very generous. Teacher tells you, please write this. Have you ever told, sir, I will write twice? Did you say? So that means in your business, you should be very generous. If something is asked, you should give more. And you should be truthful. Whatever the duty you are doing, in that duty, you should be very truthful. Rujuta. Rujuta means saralata. Simplicity. You should be having the simple thing. Is it? Simple thing. What is that? Mother tells you, bring vegetables from the market. So you will say that, if you give me the golden bag, then only I will bring. Is it? That means it is showing the luxury. So even in a small carry bag, you can bring. That is the simplicity, rujuta. And your approach in your duty should be mruduta. Be always soft, caring, and always in your business. Kautilyam na kadachana. Kautilyam means cheating. You should never cheat. The teacher feels that all of you are studying. Yes sir, I am studying, and switching on the camera, switching off the camera and going. What is called cheating? So you are, whom you are cheating? You are not cheating the teacher, you are cheating yourself. That's why never cheat in your business. So that's why always be in the business, be generous in your business, be truthful in your business, simple and soft, and never have cheating attitude in your life. Kadachana, kadachana means never. पुनरेकवारं पठामि. सर्वदा व्यवहारे स्यात् औदार्यं सत्यता तथा ऋजुता मृदुता चापि कौटिल्यं न कदाचन. एवं श्रेष्ठं जनं गुरुं चापि मातरं पितरं तथा मनसा कर्मणा वाचा सेवेत सततं सदा. श्रेष्ठं जनं, great person, gurum, teacher, and also mother and father. You should always serve them. Seveta, please serve them. How to serve? Manasa, by heart. Karmana, by your work. Vacha, by your words. Satatam, always serve your father, mother, teacher, and the great people.